Traditional investing is looking at companies depending on where they are fitting in a certain category. Typically that's a sector, maybe it's a region, maybe it's market cap. So you're missing out on the new business models that don't fit these classifications. Today, you have new business models and typically companies are global. So it's less relevant where you are based and whether you are a small or a large company. It's more relevant if you are driven by some common underlying trend or theme, as we call it. And thematic investing is completely unconstrained. So we're only picking companies that benefit from a very concrete and a very particular trend, and thereby we are much more effective to identify those companies whose business models stand to benefit, i.e. they become more relevant over time than if you're looking at traditional category investing. Sustainability is not a theme in itself, but it's a movement. And we're seeing that reflected in consumer behavior, in political change, to a larger extent every year. And that is creating a shift towards preferences that favor certain companies over others. And here again, we have winning business models, and those business models we expect to just fade out as the trend towards sustainability gains momentum. So to position yourself within your portfolio against that trend is not a good advice I would give. Instead, looking at where does sustainability manifest very concretely, in what areas does it create winners and new business models that become more relevant, is a source of interest for two reasons. It's good business opportunities, it's good growth that we can expect in these areas to manifest. It's also a good feeling, or let's say a lower risk to associate your portfolio with companies that are deemed sustainable rather than the other way around. Well, what's currently interesting and what we're focusing is subject to change, because not every theme allows for a good investment opportunity at every point in time. So you need to approach this actively and always challenge yourself, is the current theme that we are observing also investable, and is it also coming at a price where we can expect it to be a good reward for our clients and investors? But right now, a few observations that I can share is that we continue to be quite intrigued about the move towards more sustainability and where that manifests concretely, be it in the investments of infrastructure that support clean water, clean air, clean energy. Clearly that is becoming much more important and has moved up the political agenda recently. Other themes that we continue to be invested in is the move towards more digitalization. That is still in its infancy. It's far from being finished, as is artificial intelligence. But we're also seeing a lot of interesting movements, innovations and changes around medicine and health technology.